Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. So recently there has been a lot of talk about average testosterone being low in men compared to what it was a decade ago. So recent study has shown that the average level of testosterone in men has dropped by 15 to 20% just in last decade. Now 1 in 4 men over the age of 40 suffers from low testosterone or the symptoms of low testosterone. The other important thing that we have seen over last decade is epidemic of having low testosterone in younger guys. 3 of the most important causes. First, obesity. If man is overweight, their testosterone tends to be on the lower end and they have all the classic symptoms of low testosterone. Second is sedentary lifestyle. Because of the growing technology, overall lifestyle has become sedentary. A lot of the jobs has taken over by technology, so average man is walking less and is less active compared to what they were a decade ago. And the third one is diet. The spike in processed food and consumption of soda has increased in last decade, which has an adverse effect on hormones. So if you see, these are the 3 most common causes which can be improved. So if you want to boost your natural testosterone, try to improve these 3 most common reasons, and the 4th one being sleep. If you improve this few basic things, your natural testosterone can go up. If you are suffering from any of the symptoms that we have discussed in the past of low testosterone, get your level tested, improve your overall lifestyle to improve your symptoms. Subscribe for more videos.